Hello, everybody. It's Wednesday of week 2, and what that means is that I've just finished going over all of the submissions of week 1 homework assignments. Now, I want to say a word about the original rationale behind that assignment. It comes from last semester when I had a ton of student complaints that basically resulted because of the fact that they hadn't read their syllabus closely enough and as a result didn't understand how they would be graded. I looked at those complaints and the problems that caused them and realized, well, if I were to just give an assignment that meant that everybody had to read their syllabi closely, not only would I be avoiding this, but I would actually be teaching another important skill. After all, much of what happens in college is about the syllabus and the policies on the syllabus. So that was the rationale. When I put this assignment together, it wasn't just for this class that I wanted that done. In fact, if you had looked at the assignment guidelines, I was really asking for every class to have that done for it. Now, for those of you who read the assignment guidelines closely and did this for every class, thank you. I appreciate the conscientious work and your attention to detail. And the full credit that you got on the assignment will reflect that. For the other submissions, though, this kind of turned into something else. This was a chance for me to remind, well, lots of people in the course to follow directions, to make sure that particularly when you're doing graded work, you follow the directions and make sure that you are fulfilling all assignment guidelines. Now, if you were under the impression that you only had to do the week 1 homework assignment for our course, I graded your submission accordingly. I actually used our school's record-keeping software and checked to see how many courses everybody was in. If you're in 5 courses, but you only put the necessary information down for ours, I gave you a 20%, or 1 out of 5. Just to continue the example so we see the math and the logic here, if you're in 4 courses and you only put down the necessary information for our course, I gave you 25%. So, going forward, make sure that you're always reading and following assignment directions really carefully. Make sure that you're always fulfilling assignment guidelines. And for now, if this is the reason that you remember to do so, it was only 10 points. I'll see everybody soon. Thanks.